In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Allridi app on Android. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes. By following these steps, you will have the app ready to use in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, displaying various apps and games available for download. This is your gateway to millions of applications. If you are prompted to log in, make sure to enter your Google account details. This step is important because it allows you to access your downloads and manage your apps effectively. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store. Here, you will type Allridi. As you type, suggestions may pop up below the search bar. This feature helps you find what you are looking for more quickly. It's essential to spell the app name correctly to ensure you find the right application among many similar ones. Once you have finished typing, you can press the search button on your keyboard to proceed. After that, you will see a list of apps related to your search. Look for the correct app published by Allridi Limited. This is crucial because there may be other apps with similar names. Selecting the right app ensures you download the official version, which is safe and functional. Take a moment to verify the publisher's name, as this protects you from downloading counterfeit or malicious apps. Now, tap the Install button to download the application. This button is usually green and prominently displayed. Once you tap it, the download will begin. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as you want to ensure the app is installed correctly. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app. Tapping this will take you directly into the Allridi app. This quick transition allows you to start exploring the features and services of the app immediately. You will also see a confirmation that the app has been installed successfully. This feedback is reassuring, as it confirms that your download was successful and the app is ready for use. Now you can enjoy everything that the Allridi app has to offer. Remember, having the app installed opens up new possibilities for convenience and functionality in your daily tasks. If you encounter any issues during the installation, check your internet connection or try restarting your device. With these steps, you have successfully downloaded the Allridi app on your Android device. Thank you for following along. We hope you enjoy using the app. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Happy exploring!